Do we need a marriage counselor? This question goes unanswered because it's often unasked. It can be a sensitive subject, unwilling to be discussed. The mere mention of marriage counseling can conjure up a host of unwanted emotions like fear, defensiveness, and even anger. Those feelings are understandable because it is human nature to resist change. Most would rather keep things the way they are, even if they were unhappy. For those brave enough to ask the question, there's no shame in thinking it may be helpful for your relationship to see a marriage counselor. In fact, it may be essential to the future of your relationship to give counseling serious consideration if there are unresolved issues or conflicts. Relationships need to be nurtured and cared for, as does every living thing. They are not to be taken for granted. If a relationship lacks the care and attention it needs, it can suffer and may eventually die. Love isn't just a feeling, it's a bond that grows and is not only cherished, but needs to be protected and revered. With divorce rates at an all-time high, many couples are oblivious to the dangers of neglecting, perhaps their most treasured relationship, their marriage. Most are unaware of the help and empowerment they can achieve if they seek the assistance of a qualified marriage counselor. How do you know if you need a marriage counselor? Warning signs of a relationship that may be in need of help include lack of conversation or lack of connection, unfulfilled sex life, unfaithfulness, lack of trust or control issues, jealousy or lack of self-confidence. Relationships are one of the most complicated yet rewarding things in life, and there are many aspects that require careful attention in order to nurture a relationship properly. One of the most common behaviors among couples is to ignore even the most severe issues that cause stress in a relationship. It can become easy to overlook important boundary limits or even tolerate abusive behavior instead of confronting critical issues. Often one or the other or both just look the other way. What a good marriage counselor can do is help to open up and grow productive lines of communication. Marriage counseling doesn't save relationships, people do. Good counselors can facilitate the willing partners to learn new skills and remember why they chose to be together, to be a couple. When you recognize problems in your marriage, seeking a good marriage counselor can be a vital step in avoiding years of misunderstanding and hard feelings. Life is to be loved and is meant to be lived for the most meaningful of relationships. Make yours worth loving and living.